Which European country announced that it will levy a green tax on flight tickets from 2020 to encourage environmentally friendly transportation projects? And the answer is France. What is the name of the young Malayali actress who became known as the Wink Girl after a clip of her winking went viral last year? And the answer is Priya Warrior. Fatima Beevi has the distinction of being the first woman dash dash. And the answer is Judge of Supreme Court. In which year did Atal Bihari Vajpayee become India's Prime Minister for first time? And the answer is 1996. Which batsman has scored the highest number of centuries in the single World Cup tournament? And the answer is Rohit Sharma. Which company has recently acquired the American software company Red Hat? And the answer is IBM. The movie Super 30 starring Hrithik Roshan is a biopic based on whose life? And the answer is Anand Kumar. The world's first public blockchain bond, Bond I, was launched by which international organization? And the answer is World Bank. By what name is Norma Jean Baker more commonly known? And the answer is Marilyn Monroe. Ethanol has been used as an alternative to petrol in Brazil. Now, which company has launched the first ethanol-based motorcycle in India? And the answer is TVS Motors. Kila Rai Pithora, built by Tomar Rajputs, is located in which among the following cities? And the answer is New Delhi. Which banking institution commenced its operation from the 1st of April 1935? And the answer is Reserve Bank of India. Originating in the Tibetan plateau near the Lake Mansarovar, which river flows through Ladakh? And the answer is Indus. With the length of its wing reaching nearly 12 feet, which bird has the largest wingspan of any living bird species? And the answer is wandering albatross. Which one of these Indian movies is inspired by the biography of Japanese filmmaker Akira Kurosawa? And the answer is Tare Zameen Par. Bihu is a harvest festival that is celebrated thrice in a year. In which state of India does this festival originate? And the answer is Assam. In the newest Marvel film Spider-Man Far From Home, what is the name of supervillain who has mind-manipulating powers? And the answer is Mysterio. India has won two One-Day International Cricket World Cups so far, once in 1983 and the second in 2011. Who did they play the finals against in 2011? And the answer is Sri Lanka. The Halley's Comet orbits the Sun every 75 to 76 years. When will it be visible next from Earth? And the answer is 2061. Which of these actors played on-screen father to their real father? And the answer is Abhishek Bachchan. Watch our other videos. If you have any question, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.